I was in shock when I saw it. I was like, wow, why did this happen? I was hurt. I was disappointed. And then I was outraged. I've had sleepless nights over it because, I've tried to treat everybody with respect in my community and my department. Well, initially, I just want to know why it happened, who made the change.
Latosha Clemons is a local hero. As a little girl, she dreamed of becoming a firefighter, and she achieved that dream. She became the first Black female deputy fire chief. Born and raised in the city of Boynton Beach, she gave her life's blood to the city and the people of Boynton Beach to be whitewashed on a wall that should have been representative of the city. However, it wasn't.
I would hope to see my picture. Again, it's a reflection of, as the first and only Black female in that department, there's not another me. And again, it's bigger than me. It's a reflection of the community itself and all those young girls that, can walk by that station, look at that mural. And now that it's been defaced and whitewashed, they've shattered not just my dreams, but, dreams of young girls. And it just hurts.